Today we are going to create a free Google Review QR code for our Google business page. The first thing you need to do is search for your business and select it. You will now see a preview that automatically displays your business name and your Google review rating. It is optional to also display 2 of your recent reviews on your Google review card. This gives you additional social proof. If you want, you can customize some of the text or simply leave it as it is. The background color can also be changed to your favorite color, or the color that best matches your brand. You can also choose whether the text color should be black or white. The last step is adding your own logo to the card if desired. Your free Google Review QR code is now fully customized and ready to download. You can print your card, place it in a nice frame, and put it on every table, for example. Good luck with your free Google Review QR code.